Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing pesatube. And as you can see, for here on Trustpilot, it is rated bad, which is a score of 1.7 out of 5 stars. And as you can see, this web is too good to be true. I mean, if it was true, why do we have an option to delete our accounts? Blah, blah, blah. And as you can see, if we just search it here, pesatube, on Google, their website doesn't actually show up. And the results show that it's fake, another scam. Withdraw money, this is a scam. So basically, from a quick web search, it is actually very obvious that pesatube is a scam. So please do not invest anything about this app. So approved but not showing in bank. Big scammers. Waiting for my withdrawal, since if you it doesn't matter how long you wait, you can never withdraw. So I had 3 days now, still waiting my money. By learning, we'll be happy. This is basically a fake review. So because people are very interested and the disadvantage to the idea that they will have to make most of the time. That time is very good for me, and I'll try to get you some of the best of you. I don't know what this person means. So sum of referrals does not reflect, and the number of the referrals needs to change because most people don't want to sign in. Basically, this website is a scam, so please don't use pesatube. Just because from a quick Google search, the word it is very correlated to the word scam, so please do not use this. It is most likely a scam. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.